briefing, please.
Hello, I'm
Right, I don't know if everybody can hear us. Is it okay? Right. Right, welcome to Woodhorn Colliery, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for coming. I'd be very grateful if one person would count all the mates, please. Right, welcome to the 2014 Motorcycle Action Group Easter Egg Run. I'm extremely grateful for you all coming. Fabulous turnout. Does anybody got any guesses how many bikes we've got here? Lots, good answer, yeah. Right, basically, this year's ride is dedicated to two riders that we lost last year. We lost Neil Hamilton and John Southern. Now, unfortunately, Neil was killed 4 days after last year's Easter egg run. John Southern was killed in July last year. So if you don't mind, we'll take a minute's silence to remember those two riders and any other rider that anybody here has ever lost in the last 12 months. We'll be extremely grateful, so just a minute's silence, please, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Right, now to the important bits, ladies and gentlemen. The important bits are our fabulous boys in blue, wherever they are, over there in the corner, are giving us a hand. We will have police assistance on this ride today. The police will be assisting to get us out of here, which is a really good thing. And they're also assisting us over Bedlington to get us on the A1 southbound. And as a nice surprise, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a blue light escort through Blyth. That is the surprise. We are not stopping in Blyth. Probably best not really to. So make sure all your wallets are tucked away. Right, as regards the ride itself, hopefully we'll have a safe ride, a careful ride, no stupidity. I run a zero tolerance on stupidity. Anybody caught knocking around, messing around on me or any of my marshals, get any complaints, with any rider, that rider will be asked to leave the ride. We are not here to cause trouble, we are here to have a really good day and enjoy ourselves. So I'll be grateful if, apart from the trike riders, if people can ride in a zigzag alternate fashion to keep it safe and keep your braking distances. In Amble, we have been allocated a very large car park, which I don't particularly think will be large enough. We may have to go to gravel or basically abandon your bikes where you can. Right, when we get to Bedlington, in Bedlington we are parking at the rear of the shopping area. It's a large gravel car park because the police aren't happy with parking 500 bikes outside the Market Tavern. I can't see a problem really, but there we go. Then we will get it. What we'll do is, when we come out of Amble, I will be stopping to regroup everybody. Once everybody's regrouped, we'll be setting off. The next time we stop to regroup will be at the Bedside Inn. This reason is because I need to get all the marshals, as many as we've got, forward to get us through Blyth. We need 15 marshals to get through Blyth. Whereupon the police will give us a blue light escort from the Bedside Inn through Blyth, hopefully, fingers crossed, even up to the Keel Row. I'm not sure we'll all fit the Keel Row car park, but have a really nice day, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Get involved with the public when we get to Amble. Let's have a really good blast. our friends who want some decent photographs coming down. A1 southbound, probably felt or something like that was a really good place to get some photographs. Unfortunately, we have to keep the speed down to keep everybody together. If everybody's happy, is anybody got any questions? I will think about it first. Right, up towards Warkworth Castle, there is a couple of little potholes. Hopefully, have been sorted. Just to let you know, I was actually at the Keel Row Pub last night till 10:30, filling in potholes. So I've done that for you lot, I will be bloody head examined. So listen, we've got 5-10 minutes, I believe it will be just after 11 o'clock. What we have to do, when you hear the klaxon, that gives you a 5-minute warning. When you hear it again, get your arse on your bike and start it up. Is everybody happy? Yes! Woo! Right! Thank you very much.
What is it? ahead and walk them?
Yeah, just go ahead. Stop there! Just empty, they're in there.
Through Delaval.
This guy, the silver car.